Hello guys, Farmer Matt here. Today we are harvesting some soybeans. We're in the Gleaner S67. I can speed her up here a little bit. Just had her slowed down and start the video. We got the draper head. Bringing all them soybeans in very nice. Cutting very nice on this very hilly ground. Not very, but it's got some hills, got some draws. And, draper brings it in just nice. Here we got our monitor, auto steer, not touching the wheel or anything. Auto tilt, header height control. Got the beans coming in there. Really clean sample, not a lot of pods. It's going pretty good. Moving right along. This is our 5th field harvesting. Yeah, it's going great. Combine's doing an amazing job. Cutting really good. We just need more help now, that's it. Need more people to drive truck and grain cart. And then we'll be good. You can see that draper just pulling in all the beans on that belt. There's no auger shearing all the beans off, they're just coming in. Works really good. Yep, we are getting a lot done lately, which is good. It's supposed to snow tomorrow night. I don't have school tomorrow, which is good. I can help get more done. You see, throwing it out there. Help get more done. Harvest more beans for the snow. I'll lift the reel up here a little bit. It's a little low. But yeah, everything seems to be going smoothly. Most of our sickles are replaced, so don't have to worry about them being dull. See, it's wrapping right there, so when it wraps around, these beans are really tall and really, and the stems are really wet. Instant moisture here is 12.2, so they're dry beans, but the stems themselves are really wet. So that's no good, because then they wrap up like that. You have to get out every once in a while and pull that out, because otherwise you'll ruin some bearings doing that. It's a lot of load on them bearings. But everything's working good, running smoothly. Usually up above here, all your threshing and auto steer. Looking very good, very promising. Hopefully we can get this done and move on to the next one. That would be great. That would be awesome if we can get another field. Our next field that's ready to go would be probably about half an hour away. So with the combine, it'd be 45 minutes. So that's going to take a while to get up there. Don't know how much of that we're going to get done. That's a whole entire quarter. This is just native. We're on here. You can see the corn right there. Half of it's corn, half of it's beans. But yeah, other than them stems being really wet, we've been having good luck here. Moving right along. Good moisture. Good yield. Really good yield. Everything everything's going well. Combine's working very well. Everything's pretty much fully automated. You can just sit back and relax. You got foot pegs here. Put your feet on them, relax. Yeah, looking pretty good. Alright, just figured I'd do a little update for you guys. I'll definitely get some more videos going up here. Got a GoPro, so we should be able to get some wider view angles. Right now, I can't even get this whole steering wheel in my view, and because I'm just filming on my phone right now. But with the GoPro, I'd be able to get this column, maybe even the end of this head over here, all the way over here, just by having it like this. So that would be really nice, because this is super zoomed in and the GoPro's not. That's a really wide angle, which would be really nice so you guys can see more. So yeah, that'll be great. When I figure out, I need some help editing the videos, so I'm gonna have one of my friends help me. But once I figure that out, should be going really well. You guys should be getting a lot more content. Should work very well. God, them beans are probably need to lift the reel up again. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in the next one.